Takes to the stand to defend his theory that it was a Tacoma police officer's actions that caused Manuel-Ellis' death.
Ellis died while being arrested in 2020. Officers Matthew Collins and Christopher Burbank face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges. Officer Timothy Rankine is charged with manslaughter. King 5's Drew Mickelson shows us how the defense attorneys targeted the experts' motivations.
Defense attorneys for the 3 Tacoma police officers argue that Manuel-Ellis died from a bad heart and a meth overdose. But this medical expert testified that it was the police who killed Ellis. So their defense attorneys went after his theory and his motivations.
This is the death at the hands of others, and that makes it a homicide.
Dr. Roger Mitchell is Washington, D.C.'s former medical examiner. He did not conduct Manuel-Ellis' official autopsy, but did his own investigation. He acknowledges the night Ellis died, he took a high dose of methamphetamine and had heart problems. But Dr. Mitchell says the struggle with police is what killed Ellis. He blamed officers restricting Ellis' breathing with their body weight and the use of a spit hood.
He has the level of methamphetamine. He has the dilated heart. So he's walking home at that point. And the efficient intervening cause is the violent altercation and subdual. It's him being beat up that's leading to his death. So to me, it's clear.
Are you aware that Mr. Ellis has a history of having breathing problems?
I believe he has a history of asthma.
Defense attorneys questioned how Dr. Mitchell knew prior health problems did not cause Ellis' death. He testified injuries to Ellis' hand could have come from hitting the police car's windshield. Dr. Mitchell testified Ellis suffered abrasions to his face when he was likely slammed to the pavement by officers. Defense attorneys asked if Ellis could have done that to himself.
That would be very forceful, complex, and he would be having to do it on both sides and rocking his face up against the concrete.
Possible, right?
It's possible.
The defense attorneys also made it clear that Dr. Mitchell is being paid for his investigation and his testimony, as much as $40,000 potentially. Dr. Mitchell also testified that he recently wrote a book about in-custody deaths that was dedicated to families who have lost loved ones in police encounters. In Tacoma, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.